Hey guys, it's Rob Lund here with Lund Custom Calls. Today we're going to talk about how to condition our pot calls. Season just got over here in Indiana. Other states are getting ready to close their season out, so it's time to put them up, and this is a perfect time to condition your pot calls. So here we got our ceramic over slate. We're having little issues with it slipping a little bit, so here's how we condition our ceramic. You get alcohol prep pads. You can get these at CVS. You can get 120 pads and for like 10 bucks. So you just take the alcohol prep pad, just wipe the surface off. Now our pot call is conditioned. So how do we condition our strikers? What I like to do is take either a scotch pad, put it in the palm of your hand, take your scotch in your striker, and just twist. That's how I condition my strikers. Then you can give it a real quick run on it. Dual-sided calls, you can take the scotch pad, go inside where the slate's at, scuff it all up. Try to go side to side motions. Blow it out and you should be. That's how we condition our ceramic over slate. And if you have a Lund Custom Call slate over glass, we condition this slate side by side. Just getting over what we're doing is getting the smooth sections off of it, and you're good to go. For the glass, what I like to use is 220 grit sandpaper, side to side as best as you can. And remember, all our calls are 100% waterproof. Check us out, LundCustomCalls.com. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube page, and check us out on Facebook and Instagram.